Welcome to MyRemodelerAI.com. Today, I will walk through a demo on how to use our tool. When you get to our landing page, you go ahead and click Sign In. If you have a Google account, you can click Sign In with Google, or you can create a brand new account and log in. Once you sign in with Google, you'll be taken to the application's landing page. And at the very top here, you will notice number of renders. The number of renders are how many you have used and how many you have left. So for our lowest plan, we give 30 renders per month. And as you can see, I've used 21 out of those 30. The way the tool works is you choose an image. You select your design type, if it's going to be an interior, exterior, or virtual staging. You select your room type, and we recommend you can leave this in auto detect, but if it's an open blank room with no furniture and maybe you want to turn it into a home gym or a baby room or a man cave, basically a space that's not defined, then you can select one of these options here. And then on 3, you want to select your style. And if any of these styles don't fit what you're looking for, you can hit custom and then enter some custom instructions of what you would like to change. So for the purpose of this demo, we'll go ahead and start with exterior. I'll choose an image. And here's a nice image of this home that I found on Zillow. Now, this is a nice backyard, but what if I wanted a swimming pool in the backyard? I would click custom, and then I would type in add a swimming pool in the backyard and click generate. As the AI is generating the concept of what you've asked for, it is also thinking on the design of the house and what goes well with this house. And within seconds, you have the rendering of a pool. Now, if you wanted this pool to be a circle pool, you could type in add a circle pool. You can go ahead and click download, and you get the downloaded image. And you can share this with your contractor or with your pool company, whoever's going to be coming to build that amazing pool that you're looking for. Next example, we will go ahead and remove our custom instructions here, and we will go with interior. We will choose an image of an interior. Let's find an old, outdated kitchen. And maybe we can start there and see how the AI will transform. Or you know what, let's go to the bathroom. Here's a bathroom. So here's an old, outdated bathroom. And this was an image that I found off of Zillow as well, of an old, outdated bathroom. As you can see, you know, the wall, the plaster is pretty bad and beat up. And this is one of those tub surrounds. And really everything in here is pretty outdated. So I've selected my image. I've selected interior. I'm going to leave the room type to auto detect. And then I'm going to go ahead and instead of saying custom this time, I'm going to go with coastal. Maybe I'm looking for a beach type of theme for my bathroom. And I'm not going to give it any instructions. I'm just going to go ahead and click generate. I'm curious to see what the AI will generate for me. And within a couple of seconds, it should generate the image that we are hoping to get. And there you go. We have a coastal type bathroom. And what it did is it added a subway tile that's light blue. It added some really cool blue vanity. And then it added a nice mirror here and some artwork as well. So this is pretty nice, but what if we wanted something even more unique and different? So I would go back to the original image. Let's go with modern this time and see what it does. Generate. And there you go. You have a modern bathroom that it has generated there for you. Now, if you're happy with this bathroom, you can go ahead and download the image. But let's just say we don't like this tile, right? Let's just say, oh, this tile is great, but the room is too bland. Let's add something a little bit different. So I'll give it some custom instructions. I'll click custom. And then I'll describe what I want. So change the tile to a light blue horizontal, if I can type, horizontal tile. And let's see what it will generate. There you go. We've got a light blue tile, and now we have some color that has been added to this overall image. If you're not a fan of the paint color, you can change that. If you want all the faucets to be black, if you want to keep them silver, really it's fully customized based on your needs. Now, the last image that I would like us to generate is, let's do a professional staging for a room. So in this particular example, we're going to go ahead and use an empty space in an old house, but we want to go ahead and virtually stage it. And this time, since it's blank, I want to say we're going to stage this as a baby room, and we'll go with farmhouse. And this purpose option will show up, and this is just offering, it's not recommend, it's optional, but it's always recommended. Why are you trying to do this? What's the purpose of your stage? To sell faster, to share renovation potential, to increase perceived value. So in this case, we'll just say to stage and sell faster. We'll remove our tile instructions because that was from the previous generation. Now we'll click generate and see what this room turns into. There you go. It was able to stage this room into a baby room for us. Added some nice little cute furnitures, added some wall art over here, but it kept the room exactly as is. Just added a few little elements in here just to show the potential of the room. And if you're happy with this, you can go ahead and download it as well. So that's really the overall power of this tool. Is you can do interior, you can do exterior, you can do virtual staging, you can use our pre-selected styles, or you can always use the custom button, which I call the magic button, and this will offer you even more features based on what you want to customize. So thanks for watching the video, and please try it out and let me know your thoughts. Thank you. The better the result.